Hello traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel Freedom with Forex. Today I'm going to do a technical analysis on Euro Australian dollar. So by the time you finish this video, you should be able to understand very clearly the next movement of the market. So basically the direction of the market, where to enter, where to take profit, and where to put your stop losses. Before we get into details, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that you get notified next time I upload a video. So without further ado, let's dig in. And as you guys know, before I do my technical analysis, I try to figure out the recent low and recent high. So the recent low was back in 2017 in February. The recent high was 2019 in September. Mind you, this is a daily chart. I do my technical analysis on daily chart, as you guys know. So we're going to figure out how this market went up all the way here from this point, which means what sort of strength was used, all right, to come up here. If we can figure out that, we should be able to where is our big boy is, because the big boy makes money for us, right? Because we are not the big boy in the market. The big boy is the big investment banks, all right, the $1 trillion investment banks. We have to follow their footstep. Okay, so I'm going to use these things here so to find out how much pips it went up in one move. So from this point all the way here, it went up 1560 pips. 1560 pips it went up. That is massive. That's without a doubt this market is gonna go up. All right, but obviously it took a couple of pulls. Actually, let me try to make this bigger so that easily visible to us. Just give me one moment. Let's go back. Okay, here you go. Hopefully it's better now. Oh, what did I do? Okay, so you went up 1600 pips, all right? But the main movement started from here. Main movement started from here. This is the guy. This is the guy who reversed the market. Okay, it took a little pause. There was a couple of fight here between buyers and sellers, but from this point there was no fight whatsoever. Sellers is out of the market. It's all buyers market. Little pause here and there, very little to ignore. Okay, this was a good retrace. All right, it tried to shoot up again and went back down. This is a very typical market scenario, because whoever missed the boat, didn't buy here, tried to buy on the retrace. A lot of people bought here, went up, but this price was on cheap enough for a lot of people, so they waited. Okay, so the buyers was on got involved here, like 100% buyers also got involved. But when the market came down here, sure, everybody tried to buy it, so therefore market shoot up again. But it was a bit choppy compared to this movement. This was very choppy, up down, up down, up down. But regardless, market gradually and eventually went up, started shooting up. And as you can see, the moving averages, I got 200 MA, 150, they're all pointing up. Again, this is the daily chart, all right, very powerful chart. So it went up. So let's do the measurement of the next movement. From this point to this point, market went up 1200 pips. The initial one was 1600. Second movement 1200, even though it was very choppy. Market came down. How much percentage was retrace? I would say maybe 40% retrace from this point here Okay, went up, and from here to here, maybe it's a 40% retracement, and market shoot up again. How much it shoot up? How much it went? From this point to here, 925 pips. All right, about 900 pips. So if you go back again, 1600 pips, 1200 pips, 900 pips. What does that tell you? This buyer is still strong, okay, but something is about to happen. Something is about to happen. Keep in mind in that. And sure enough, that happened. These sellers come back very strongly, okay. And see that sell, very powerful sell. This retrace was 100% retracement. All right, but sure enough, seller were not strong enough to reverse the market. It shoot up again. It went up how much? From this point to this point, another 1000 pips, one more 1000 pips. So these original buyers are back. They're back, well and truly. This market was completely in buyer's control. All right, now we have to be careful from now on. Even though you went up 1000 pips, something is about to happen. See, market retrace again, almost 100%, almost 95%. See, it went down, retrace. Sellers come back very strongly. So now, even though we have a big buy movement, big sell movement, all right, so you have to keep in that mind as well. So buyers come back again, and shoot the market up, made it all-time high, 1350 pips. Massive movement. But here is our sign of reversal. That's the sign of the reversal. Okay, market shoot up, but all the way it closed down here. What does that tell you? Market does not like the price to be above that line, whatever reason. Market doesn't like to be stay here. Okay, somebody doesn't want the price to be here. So market shoot down, went back down. How much percentage of that? That went probably down by 80%. To this movement, went down probably 80%. Market tried to go up again, all right, to break this resistance line, support lines. From this point to this point. What's happening with my, okay, here you go. But it came back down again. So it went down another 70%, up again. This time it broke it. This time the market broke resistance line. But what happened? It went back down again very fast. All right, did not stay up and try to push out the market. This time it does not go through. See that? Goes up, down, and this guy here pushed the market back down below that support resistance line, and this time it retraced 100%. Now market is going up again, pretty strong power with power. See that? Now the question is this gonna go up or is this gonna go down? This is why we need to figure out. And if you can figure out that, we can make money, a lot of money. In my experience and understanding, market, even though it goes up, but it won't stay here, it will back down. Even though it goes from this area to this area, okay, but this is very likely to happen like that, very likely. But it's gonna take a bit of time. It's not gonna happen this week or next week. Okay, we have to be patient. And the reason I'm saying it's gonna go back down is that the way market behaving from this point up to here. All right, so going up, down, 80% retracement, up, market did not stay there for long, came down 90% retrace. This time didn't even go this area, came back down 100%. Now market's on the way up. Okay, so as you can see, the buyers are getting weaker. Okay, the weaker sellers are coming back strong, even though all the indicator that you have all pointing the market up. Look at the moving averages, 200 moving averages pointing up. All right, 100 moving averages pointing up. Only the 50 moving averages not pointing up, okay, but not down as well. It's like almost sideways, but a little bit up as well. So basically all the indicator is pointing downwards. Okay, now all I'm saying is going to go down, and be prepared for sell. Be prepared for sell. And if you want to enter this market, where are you going to enter? Let's close this one. What should be your enter? If you agree with me, this market is going to go down. Damn it. My sell position would be right here. Where is market right now? Or here, from here to in between, anywhere here is my sell position. I will sell anywhere right here, without a doubt. Stop losses, definitely not in this area, because market can go spike up and take you stop losses easily. So you need to be very careful with that. Anywhere from this area to here, how many pips? From this area, even though there's a lot of pips, 500 pips, okay, but market can spike up and take your stop losses, so be very careful. Now you got the entry, you got the stop losses idea. Now what is our take profit? That is the good part, that's the juicy part. Okay, I'm predicting this market is going to go down by 900 pips. 900 pips in long term, if not more. From this point to this point, how many pips is that? From this point to this point, it's about 300 pips. That's your short-term goal, short-term take profit. All right, that's easy money. If you wait a little bit longer, from this point to this point, 500 pips, 550 pips. Okay, but if you are very patient like me, from this point, all right, that's the gold. 900 plus pips, 900 plus potential money we can make from this euro Australian dollar. Okay, but this is not going to happen in the next 1 month, 2 months, or 3 months. This is going to take about, I think, about a year. This market will probably take about a year. So in between, market will come down and then retrace. Okay, and then come down and retrace. All right, like this. It will go down here, go up, go down more, up, and will create lots of illusion. All right, but eventually it will come down here, or if not, will keep going down. Okay, hopefully you understand this technical analysis and the reason behind it. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe in my channel right now, and click the bell icon so that every time I upload a video you get notified. Hopefully this video benefited you. Please leave a comment and like this video. Bye bye for now.